And just like that, here we are. It is silage season again here in Indiana. In this video, I am out visiting Hulsbosch Dairy at their brand new facility near Milroy, Indiana. Now, I have done some corn silage videos with these guys a couple times over the years down at their dairy near Greensburg, Indiana. Here, they are chopping Triticale, or as they say out west, Triticale, with their brand new Claas Jaguar 1200 self-propelled forage harvester. You're going to see all the action right here. They're running several different tractors, pulling wagons, hauling that silage back to the farm. Later on in the video, we'll catch up with the merger, and then we will head back to the farm and watch them unload and push and pack a pile. I missed out on the mowing, but they are merging about 85 foot of crop together in one windrow for this machine. Claas introduced the new Jaguar 1000 series last summer in California. If you've been following me, I was invited out to that event, was able to see some of these out there, learn all about them, and I was able to video a couple of the pre-series last fall in corn silage. You may have caught some of those videos. This is actually the first production unit that I videoed here, but the new 1000 series, there is 4 models, the model 1080, 1090, 1100, and the 1200 that you see here. The Jaguar 1000 series offers 20% wider crop flow over the previous models, which gives you 20% higher throughput out of this machine. These are powered with a 12-cylinder diesel engine, and this machine right here is rated at 1,110 horsepower. And of course, if you want more specifications or learn more about this machine, you can head over to Claas's website and check it out. And out running in front of the chopper is the farm's new Holland T8.410 tractor pulling an Oxbo 2340 merger. Again, they are merging approximately 85 foot of crop here together in one windrow for the forage harvester. This farm has a good mix of different brands of tractors, and this year they added 2 Claas Axion 920 tractors to their fleet. The one you see here pulling the Meyer wagon, there's also another one. They are demoing a Bearclaw dump wagon, and then also running one of the JCBs pulling a Fliegl wagon. Once this field is harvested, this will be planted to corn for a corn silage crop for harvest in the fall. And that is going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there and hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.